Yes, today we will discuss about the displacement, concept of displacement. Here the definition is there. It is the shortest path between the final position and initial position. This will be cleared with the help of the example given here. Suppose a boy moves from O to A, that is 4 meter. He turns left and moves to B, 3 meter. So we have to find the displacement in this figure. Here I have joined the initial position O and the final position B. This OB is the displacement because it is the shortest path of this situation. So displacement is equal to OB, and you can clearly see this one is the right angle triangle. So we will apply the Pythagoras theorem, that is OB is equal to under root OA square plus AB square. Now OA is 4 meter and AB is 3 meter. So that will become under root 4 square plus 3 square. So under root that will become under root 16 plus 9, under root 25, that it is 5 meter. So displacement is 5 meter. Another example is a boy moves from O to A. In this case, the displacement is 5 meter. Why? Initial position is O, final position is A. We will do for another example for that one. Suppose a boy moves from O to A, that is 5 meter, and from he returns on the same path from A to B, that is 1 meter. So displacement is equal to OB because initial position is O, final position is B. Therefore displacement OB is equal to OA plus minus AB. I have used the sign here negative because the boy has changed the direction, that is opposite to the direction, previous direction. So OA is equal to 5 meter plus minus 1 meter. This will become 4 meter. Now come to another example. A boy starts from position O to A, that is 8 meter. Again he moves left and moves to point B, that is 3 meter. Again he moves left and moves to point C, that is 4 meter. We have to find that displacement. I told that displacement is the shortest path between the final and initial position. Therefore I have joined O to C. O to C is the displacement. Now we have to find the displacement. What I have done in this figure, I have made a parallel line CD across AB. So the displacement is OC. OC is equal to under root OD square plus DC square. Now what is OD? You can see BC is equal to 4 meter. Therefore OD is also equal to 4 meter. Why it is so? Because AD is 4 meter. So 8 minus 4, that is 4. So OD is equal to 4 meter. So OD we have got 4 meter. DC is there 3 meter. So displacement is equal to under root 4 square plus 3 square. And after due calculation we have got 5 meter. Now there is some important points about the displacement. Its SI unit is meter as of that distance. It is vector quantity denoted by S, and I have kept an arrow mark over there. This shows that it is vector quantity. Third point is it does not depend upon the path, only depends on the final position and initial position. For example, a person moves on a path of ACB from A to B. Now the displacement is AB because it is the shortest path between the initial and final position. Next point is for a moving body, displacement may increase or decrease with time. Okay, suppose a body is moving in a straight line in same direction, time increases, displacement also increases. But the same body returns on the same path after moving certain distance, the displacement decrease. So it may increase or decrease with time.